Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
2 years since I met you, 1 year dating now. I'm ready for forever. Everybody got to know you. Baby, you know, no see me, I be the plan to marry you. And no be only day too, I already know I feel you. I want get it. When you look for film, give them something to talk about you.
Hi guys, how are you all doing today? Yeah, so today I'm going to be unboxing my new hair for you guys, Jenny lovers, for you guys to see. Okay, so today what I have here is a bob unit, a bob Kim K unit. Okay, it's actually a bone straight hair made with a Kim K closure. Okay, yeah, I'm in love with this hair so much that I had to get something similar to what I got earlier on, like before now. You guys know, you guys saw the review I did on my Kim K 10 inches, right? So yeah, this one is actually still a 10 inches, but it is like really longer than the other 10 inches I got. That is why I got this one, because there's visible difference. Okay, it's safe to say this one is like 12 inches bob hair. It's like a 12 inches bone straight, but yeah, it's actually a 10 inches, but it's longer. So you guys, I would go straight into this video because I don't want this video to be too long. So first off, let me unbox my new unit for you guys to see. This is my new unit, guys. This is my new hair, still in color 1B. That's the natural color. You can buy this hair and request for it to be recolored or dyed or changed into any color of your choice. Yes, so this hair is just 105,000 naira. You guys, very affordable. For the quality of this hair, it's very affordable. Let me unbox it for you to see exactly what I'm talking about. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is beautiful. This is lovely, you guys. Let me bring you close to the camera. Oh my god, look at the strands. Oh my god, look at the strands. Look at the strand. Come and patronize us, you guys. Come and patronize us. Can you see this? Can you see this? Come and patronize us, you guys. Okay, so I'll be styling this hair off camera. I'll wear some makeup off camera and come and show you what this hair looks like. So don't go anywhere, keep watching.
It hard to find. They know they see her for road. Walk maluma go. It hard to find.
Oh,
they know they see her for road. I want get it. When you look for film,
can you see?
give them something to talk about you.
Lovely, lush, silky, everything gorgeous hair. This hair is giving chic, is giving luxury, is giving everything. Like, it's giving everything you want in a hair, in a bob hair. This is the final look of this hair. Like I said, this one is quite longer than what I have. This one is quite more silky than what I have. This one is the upgraded version of what I have. Like, Don't you just want to have this hair? Don't you just want to have this hair? Right? Why not just send me a DM, send me an email, send me a message, okay? Let me know if you need this hair, and I'm going to get this hair right to your doorstep. Delivery is not free, okay? This hair is just 105,000 naira for now. 105,000 naira for now. Rush this hair. Rush it, because when the other batch comes, you will say I told you. So like I said, this is the upgraded version of that bulb that I reviewed about 2-3 months ago. This is the upgraded version of it, okay? This color is office friendly. In fact, this color is just, it goes with everything. So if you're like me and you want to be rocking this hair to your office, why not just contact me and we're going to get this hair right to you. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button below and turn on all the notification bells so you'll be the first person to get notified once I upload a new video. Okay, I love you guys so much. Bye.